For more than 25 years, I had the joys of kayaking the great whitewater rivers of North America. I was 5.5 days on the Salmon River in Idaho, in the beautiful Idaho in your area here. We all want our air to be clean and our water to be pure, don't we? And indeed, our air and water is very much cleaner than it was just a few decades ago. This is data from the Environmental Protection Agency that shows our major air pollutants are down more than 70% since 1980. Lead, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, particulates, and ozone, all trending down nicely. But now our news media, the Environmental Protection Agency, and even our political leaders are calling carbon dioxide a pollutant. Seed growers in Montana, that is bizarre. Carbon dioxide is not a pollutant. It's an odorless, harmless, invisible gas. Doesn't cause smoke or smog. What you see in all those images rising from a cooling tower or power plant, that's not carbon dioxide. You can't see carbon dioxide. That's condensing water vapor. We breathe in only a trace of CO2, but we burn it in our bodies. So every time we exhale a concentration that is 100 times what's in the atmosphere. And it appears that Domino has done the impossible. Love this bag of sugar. This is a carbon-free bag of sugar. Now, if I remember, sugar was made up of carbon, water, and hydrogen. This must be a bag full of water. What do you think? Well, actually, they buy a bunch of carbon credits on the side so they can claim that this is now carbon-free. And we have a big new agricultural market. California cannabis market, $5.1 billion expected to reach. So this triggers another question. What do cannabis growers know that climate scientists don't know?
They use CO2.
CO2. CO2 is plant food. CO2 makes the plants grow. Every marijuana grower worth his or her salt is pumping carbon dioxide into their greenhouse to make their plants grow bigger and faster. Here's a canister right here, and what you see up there, that's a CO2 generator. CO2 is green. Carbon dioxide is plant food, essential for life on Earth. Hundreds of peer-reviewed studies show that plants grow bigger and faster with higher levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide. This is a graph of the world's top 7 food crops at elevated CO2 levels. Corn, potatoes, wheat, sugarcane, rice, soybeans, sugar beets. I asked our speaker this morning, this isn't a biostimulant, but it sure ought to be. Wheat gets 30% more biomass area with higher levels with 300 parts per million more CO2. Plants get bigger fruits, they get bigger vegetables, they get thicker tree trunks, they get bigger root systems, they're more resistant to drought. If there's one compound we could put in the environment that is great for the environment, carbon dioxide is that compound. Yet today we have every university and every company counting their carbon dioxide footprint. Very, very foolish.